Is the thought of generating certificates for your Google Forms submissions filling you with dread? Are you stuck in a never-ending cycle of manual data entry, saving and emailing just to give someone the recognition they deserve? There's a better way, a smarter way. Meet Smart Certificates, the powerful Google Forms add-on that completely automates your certificate creation and delivery. It's designed to take the hassle out of recognition, letting you inspire achievement with stunning, personalized certificates effortlessly. Once installed, Smart Certificates work seamlessly in the background. Simply set up your Google form, define your certificate template in Google Slides, and let the magic happen. It pulls data directly from your form responses to create beautiful, personalized certificates that perfectly match your brand. Then, it automatically emails these certificates as PDFs to your responders, along with a custom message. And for your peace of mind, every single certificate is securely stored and organized in your Google Drive. Imagine saving hours every week, delivering professional recognition instantly, maintaining pristine records without lifting a finger. Smart Certificates makes it possible, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your content, your participants, your success. Ready to revolutionize your certificate workflow? Install Smart Certificates today and experience effortless automation. It's free to get started. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.